Hello dear. Today we will continue solving exercises about signed numbers chapter 2 on your books, so please put your homeworks in front of you and follow with me. Exercise 13. On an x-axis, we consider the points E, F, G, and H such that the abscissa of E is minus 6.5, abscissa of F or XF is minus 2.5, abscissa of G minus 0.5 and abscissa of H is plus 3.5. Look dear, here they didn't ask me to draw the abscissa axis and locate the points. Okay, you don't have to draw it. The question is, show that EF equal to GH. EF is the distance between E and F. I don't have this distance equals to how much, but I have the abscissa of each one, and we know that to find the distance between 2 points, I have to calculate it. How? It's the greatest abscissa minus the smallest abscissa. Minus 6.5 and minus 2.5. Which of them is greater? The one which is closer to 0. The numbers always to the right are greater than the numbers to the left on the axis, of course. So here, minus 2.5 is greater than minus 6.5. So the distance EF is XF minus XE. Abscissa of F minus 2.5 minus abscissa of E minus 6.5. As I told you before, same sign means a plus. So I replace these minus minus by a plus sign. Here I have minus 2.5 plus 6.5. It's the same as 6.5 minus 2.5, which is 4. So the distance between EF, or simply EF, equals to 4. What about GH? It's XH minus XG, I'm sorry. Why? Because simply the positive number is always greater than the negative number, and we say it's the greatest abscissa minus smallest abscissa. So it's a plus 3.5 minus 0.5. Again, minus minus, same sign, I replace them by a plus. 3.5 plus 0.5 equals to 4. Here you have that EF equal 4 and GH equal 4, so I can say that I proved that EF equals to GH. Okay, now part B. EG equal to FH. I have to calculate EG and calculate FH. They should be equal to each other. Since they told me to show that, then definitely they are equal, but I have to prove them. The distance between EG is XG minus XE. Abscissa of E is minus 6.5, abscissa of G is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 is greater than minus 6.5, so I can say that it's XG minus XE. So here, minus minus can be replaced by a plus. It's always a rule. Same signs mean plus, opposite signs minus. Now, minus 0.5 plus 6.5, it's the same as 6.5 minus 0.5, which is 6. What about FH? It's F minus 2.5, H plus 3.5. Positive number is always greater than the negative number. So it's XH minus XF plus 3.5 minus 2.5. Again the same sign, so I replace them by a plus. 3.5 plus 2.5 is 6. EG equals 6 and FH equals 6. So they are equal to each other, and I have proved what they asked me to prove. Okay, I have to write here EG equal to FH equal to 6. Now, exercise 14. Consider the points U of abscissa minus 3.5, V of abscissa minus 2, R of abscissa plus 2, and S of abscissa plus 3.5. I have to find the distance between U and S, the distance between V and R, U and V and RS. Let's start them. The distance means the greatest abscissa minus the smallest abscissa. U minus 3.5 and S plus 3.5. I always say it's the greatest number minus the smallest number, and we know that positive is always greater than the negative number. So it's a plus 3.5 minus 3.5. Minus can be replaced by a plus sign. So 3.5 plus 3.5 equal 7. What about VR? The same, it's xr minus xv. Abscissa of r is plus 2, abscissa of v is minus 2. Minus, same sign, it means plus, so 2 plus 2 equals to 4. uv, it's xv minus xu. The abscissa of v is minus 2, minus abscissa of u, which is minus 3.5. Here we have minus 2, same sign, replace them by a plus. So we have here 3.5 minus 2, which is 1.5. Keep in your mind that when I have a negative number, or a number with a negative sign, plus another positive number, how to add them? I have to put the sign of the greatest number, which is here, plus, since 3.5 is greater than 2, and find the difference between two numbers. Okay? So the answer will be 1.5. RS, it's x of s, abscissa of s minus abscissa of r. So plus 3.5 minus plus 2. Here you have opposite sign, so replace them by a minus. 3.5 minus 2 is 1. Now we will solve exercise 16, page 50. For each of the following expressions, I have to calculate it. Please, here you have to keep in your mind that when I have the same sign, it's the same note. I'm saying again and again, when you have the same sign next to each other, plus plus or minus minus, the same sign is replaced by a plus, while opposite signs, plus minus or minus plus, should be replaced by a minus sign. Okay, let's see here. I write on the line plus 7 minus 6, it's a plus 6. Here, opposite signs, so minus 2. Same sign, plus 12. Opposite sign, so it's minus 8. Now, I have to write first the positive numbers and then the negative numbers. Here we have plus 7 is a positive, plus 6, and plus 12. Okay, they are positive numbers, so I put them first, and then after that I put the negative numbers minus 2 and minus 8 next to each other. Okay, what to do here? 7 plus 6 plus 12 is 25. Minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. So 25 minus 10 is 15. Here is part E. Now F. Minus 12. Part F. Minus 12 minus 10 plus 40 minus plus 16 plus minus 12. Here we have, I write on the line minus 12, same sign, so we replace it by a plus. Same sign, plus, we replace it by a plus. Opposite signs here, minus and plus, so we write minus. Plus and minus, we write minus. Now on the line, I have to write the positive numbers first, plus 10, plus 40, and then the negative numbers, minus 12, minus 16, and minus 22. Let's find the sum of the positive numbers. 10 plus 40 is 50, and the sum of the negative numbers, 12 plus 16 plus 22, is 50. So plus 50 minus 50, it's the sum of opposite numbers, so it's 0. G. Minus 3. Here we have same sign, replace it by a plus. It's a plus 6. Opposite signs, we put minus 1. The same sign, so it's a plus 5. Same sign again, minus, it means plus 9. On the line, put the positive numbers first. It's plus 6, plus 5, and plus 9. And then we write the negative numbers. minus 3, and minus 1. So write the sum of the positive numbers. 6 plus 5, 11, plus 9, 20. The sum of the negative numbers, 3 and 1 is 4. So minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Now I can say that 20 minus 4 is 16. H, on the line I should write minus 48. We have the same sign, so it's plus 2. Opposite signs, minus 2.3, same sign, plus 2.8. Different signs or opposite signs, so minus 12.2. Now put the positive numbers first. We have plus 2 plus 2.8, then the negative numbers. Now the sum of the positive numbers is 4.8 and the sum of the negative numbers is 19.3. The greater number here has a negative sign, so the result will be negative. The difference between 19.3 and 4.8 is 14.5. You can use your calculator to check up the answer. Please don't forget to write the answers on your classwork copybook and hand in your work in the assignment. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.